Hi everybody, this is Tina. This is part of my Peachy Keen series that I have been doing. This is for the kit in April. This was the kit that I received in my club kit. So super cute. It has a little gnome, a duck, a frog. I did share this when I first got it. And so today I want to share the cards that I created with it. So the very first card I used the frog. And I'll just set the envelope over here. So here's the little froggy. I put the hat on him and the umbrella in his hand, and this is popped up. He's stepping into the puddle with 1 foot up, and I've added the sentiment that's ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That's hello in frog. That is so cute. I did some layers here. I used this blue flower paper and then a white layer and then a teal polka dot paper here and then a stitched paper, or just a regular white stitched paper here, and then I stamped on that and created the image colored with Copics. And then here's some American Craft ribbon. It's the teal and I thought it matched this perfectly, so I did that, and then I did a bow. And I added some enamel dots to the corners. And then here is the inside. I like to finish my cards off in the inside. I just think they are so much better with the inside done. So there's the first one that I used, that I made with the kit. Here is the second card that I did. Now this series I've been doing 5 cards for each kit. So here's the second one. So super cute. I did him in purple, the little gnome, and I did the cloud background with my My Favorite Things stencil and some oxide inks. And then here's the flowers that were in that set and the mushrooms, and then down here it says just a gnome. So instead of just a note, it's just a nope. So it's G-N-O-T-E. So cute. And this splattered paper in the background, I got that from my scrap drawer. Then I used a white layer, a dark purple, and then a stitched frame to do the background with the clouds. So that is my second card, and there's the inside. And I always stamp my stamp in the back, just saying created by Tina Kappa. So there's the second one. And the third card, I used the gnome once again, and this is what it looks like. Now, one of the DT members had created a card similar to this, and that is where I got my inspiration from. Mine is a little bit different. I used different papers, and I added a few different things than what that card had. So here's the little gnome here. I did him in green and red. And I made his nose red in this one. This one he is not. He has just a plain regular nose. This one I added the red. And here's the little bird. She's popped up and she's sitting on top of the mushroom. This is a scallop stitch circle die that I have. Here's some grass cutouts, and that grass die is from Lawn Fawn. I used a couple little scraps for the flags. And this teal gingham in the background was also from my drawer of scraps. I've been trying to use up my scraps before I cut into new papers, and it's been working out very well for me. Here's the hello, and the hello is cut 8 times, piled on top of each other, and then put glossy accents over that. And I love this new technique that I learned from Sybil B. It's so pretty, and look how sparkly it looks. It actually looks like an enamel piece sitting on your cards. If you haven't tried it, it's really easy. Just cut out your sentiment. I did this one 8 times, but generally it's about 5 times. Pile them on top, glue them together, and then glossy accent the top. It comes out so beautiful. So, and then here's the inside, and this is a happy hello. So that is the third card. And then here is the fourth card. This one was also inspired by one of the team members. And how they did their card is they didn't use the whole bodies of the frogs. I did. I popped the heads up. I popped the sun and the cloud up. And I layered again with that blue and white flower paper here. This white layer here, I took some oxide ink, sprayed some water, and then splattered on it with a paintbrush to put the little spots all over it. And then on this stitched layer here, I added a little bit of the blue oxide around the outside, just to shade the outside. And then colored the image with my Copics. The umbrella has spots on it, and I put the, I'm trying out the new Nouveau Glaze. I love it, you guys. It acts as just like glossy accents, but it dries faster, and it comes out of the bottle really smooth. I really like it. So I put it on the little dots and on the raindrops as well. Over here, I used a layer here of the polka dot colored paper, and then I tied a yellow seam binding and a bow. And it says, "Have a happy day." So super cute. I just fell in love with this stamp set, and I had so much fun creating it, and that's the inside. Creating with it, I should say. So that is the fourth card there. And I have one more card that I created with that set, and this one here is the little duck. So here's the little duck, colored with Copics, popped up. She's walking through the puddle. There's a rainbow behind her. I used that scallop stitch circle die three or four times here. I did a white layer, a light blue, a purple, and a green. And those are all piled up on this blue and white teal polka dotted paper. There is some red and white ribbon behind the circles. Down here, I added a strip of the purple and white hearts, the white strip, and then put the sentiment, "I'm a lucky ducky to have you." And then here are the little hearts that were gifted to me in a little enamel pack from Sybil B. I'm almost out of those, and I love these little hearts. And then I put this little bow up here, and this bow is from the Bella Boulevard bows that they come on the paper clips, and we've been getting them at Tuesday morning. So I added that up there in the corner. And then here is the inside. So one more look at my cards. So we have the duck one, and we have the little frog sitting in the bird bath. And I have this one here, and the purple gnome. And then the last one is the froggy in the puddle. So these are my 5 cards with this club kit for the month of April, and I'm a little bit behind, but I will be working on my maze cards coming up soon. I did share the maze kit, the stamp set that came in another video. If you want to see that, you'll have to go back and look for it. But maybe if I find it, I'll link it down below so you guys can find it fast and you can see the kit for May. And I'll be working on those cards very soon, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this series that I've been doing with the Peachy Keen stamp sets. I'm having a lot of fun with them, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. All right, everybody, have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.